mommy and daddy.
Really?
But something that'll be something for you. Okay?
For both of us?
Did you read that?
Read what? Oh, no, I didn't even see that.
Has little footprints. Has little footprints.
Did you throw that away, Eli? How sweet. It has a little footprint.
Look like Gideon's.
Look like Gideon's?
It's not my little pony or not my little Jake. It's a blanket. It's a blanket.
Okay. What did those say?
You think those are for you?
I don't know what these say. I don't know what this says.
It's Build-A-Bear.
You got a Build-A-Bear coupon. Do you see that? What are you doing, Eli?
Who's that for? Who's that for? Mommy, who's that for?
Stand over, sit over with Mommy so we
No,
can...
I don't want to.
Come here.
No, I'm just going to take a picture so they
Here,
can
climb
see you
on
with
my
your
lap.
Build-A-Bear card. We're going to have to go to Build-A-Bear.
No.
Whoa, what a change. I don't know.
Maybe a
That?
You think you need...
bear? Hey, Rue?
Remember where you put the stuffings in the bear?
Yeah. Don't take a picture.
What do you think of this?
Like that.
Ah.
So...